I am Ravali from ZPHS Palakurti. Today I want to share my knowledge on the topic of progressions. There are two types of progressions. One is arithmetic progression and another one is geometric progression. First of all, I want to discuss about the arithmetic progression. If we take the list of 0, 1, 2, 3 and etc. as a AP, here 1 is obtained by adding 1 as a fixed number to the preceding term of 0 and 2 is obtained by adding 1 as a fixed number to the preceding term of 1 and etc. Here fixed term is equal to 1 and the common difference is also 1. The fixed number is known as common difference. It is denoted by D. A1 is equal to first term. Here in this AP, 0 is the first term and 1 is the second term and 2 is the third term and 3 is the fourth term and etc. If we want to find out the nth term of an AP, then we use this formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. And if we want to find out the sum of n terms of an AP, then we use these three formulas. If they give common difference and nth term and the first term, then we use this formula. Sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If they give first term and nth term, if they don't give common difference, then we use this formula. Sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. If they give nth term and first term and last term, then we use this formula. Sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Then we want to know what is the geometric progression. Geometric progression means the succeeding term is obtained by multiplying a fixed number to the preceding term. If we take 30, 90, 270 and 810 and etc. as a GP, here 90 is obtained by multiplying 3 as a fixed number to the preceding term of 30 and 270 is obtained by multiplying with 3 to the preceding term of 90 and etc. Here the common ratio is equal to 3 and the first term is equal to 30 and second term is 90 and etc. of an GP, then we use this formula. An is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. In this GP, there is no sum of n terms. We can't find the sum of n terms. Then we want to know what is the difference between arithmetic progression and the geometric progression. In the arithmetic progression, the succeeding term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. In the geometric progression, the succeeding term is obtained by multiplying a fixed number to the preceding term. Thank you friends. Stay